I was trying to get a thumbnail.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon.
Nikki and Lizzie here. I'm back with another video. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please. And if you're an old faithful, thank you for tuning back with your girl. Today I'm coming to you with a different kind of video. I'm coming to you with a haul video. It's not gonna be really a big haul. It's gonna be kind of quick because I didn't really buy too much. I'm trying to save money, but I did buy a little something, okay? As you can tell by the title, I went to my Kiko Milano store. I went to my Kiko Milano store at my local mall. They're going out of business at my mall. So everything in the store was 70% off. And when I mean everything in the store, everything in the store. So I went this morning. I found out like 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm on Instagram and someone was like, oh, Kiko Milano in so-and-so mall is going out of business. Everything is 70% off. I was like, girl. I texted my best friend and I was like, we going to the mall tomorrow. Wake up at 9. We going before the crowds hit and we gonna buy. And she was already down. I woke up at 9:30. A little late. Woke up at 9:30 and I was like, you up? She was like, I'm up. Boom. Went to pick her up. We went to the mall. We both got a little something. I'm really sad that they're going out of business. They've actually been at our mall for a while. But I went to pick up a few things. So I'm gonna show you what I picked up. No particular order. I'm just gonna stick my hand in the bag, grab, boom, boom. So, first thing I got was this Sublime Youth Day Moisturizer. Disclaimer, I didn't buy this for me. I bought it for my mom, but, you know, I'm going to show y'all anyway. It looks like this. It's a cute bottle. It looks like this. It is a Sublime Youth Day Wrinkle Correcting Nourishing Day Cream with SPF 15. Kiko Milano, they have a skincare line. They have a hydrating one. The silver line is for anti-aging. I have never used it, so I just bought it from my mom because my mom said she wanted something for her face for anti-aging, and she already has a cleanser, so I just bought her a moisturizer. So this originally was, I'm gonna let y'all know how much it was. I'm gonna let y'all know these prices, girl. Your girl saved $75.60. That was $28 originally. So, let me keep the receipt right here. Next thing I got is this Kiko Milano Fall 2.0 Magnetic Eyeshadow. The box looks like this. This is really pretty. I swatched it in the store and I was like, oh nah. Oh nah. I'm opening my products for y'all. It looks like this. Oh my god, it is so bomb. This is what the magnetic eyeshadow looks like. I'm not gonna, well, I'll swatch it for y'all, but it has a nice magnetic touch to it, literally. Look at that. Oh, this was the last one. My friend wanted one, I think, and I snatched this up so quick. I was like, girl, I'm sorry, but I'll do your makeup with it. So I'm gonna do her makeup with it. It is a nice navy blue. It's like a magnetic touch to it. Like you can feel like it pulling. But this is the color. Show y'all again because the color is so surreal. That cost $16 originally. Next, I have this Instant Color Matte Liquid Lipstick in the number 05. Kiko doesn't have names, they have numbers. So 05 looks like this. It's like a red color. In the store it gave me like an orange red vibe, but it's red. I don't have that many reds, so I was like, why not? It looks like that. And it is a matte liquid lipstick. This costs, how much did this cost, y'all? This costs $10 originally. I got another matte liquid lipstick in the color 04. Me and my friend both got this color. It is a nice purple color. Yeah, nice purple color. It's like a purple with like a brown undertone, kinda, or a burgundy, however you want to call it. I'm colorblind a little bit, y'all, so don't judge me. But that's the color. It's a very. You hear that R roll? Very pretty, very pretty. They had so many more colors. They had pinks. They had like a teal one. I was about that close to buying a teal, but I was like, girl, what you need a teal lipstick for? Like, it's winter time. Like, I'll probably go back and buy the teal. And they had black. They had 2 blues. Y'all, I'll probably go back and get those colors because they 70% off and they originally $10. $3. Girl. My next 2 products I actually used them both today for this eye look. I will have a tutorial on this look. If it's up already, I will link it in the cards and it'll pop up right here, girl. So check that out. Check that out after this video. After you watch my little haul, check that out. But I bought 2 eyeshadows. These are their high pigment wet and dry eyeshadows. I bought 2 colors of these. These cost $8. These cost $8 originally. Don't judge because I already dropped this one. Because I told y'all I used it today, so I already dropped it. It's a nice matte yellow color. And the good thing about these is they depot. So I'm going to put them in my Z palette, but that's the pigmentation of it. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you. Looks like that. See it? Right there. Another color I got is number 86, which is like this. Let me show y'all. This nice teal color. In the store, I said it looked like a mermaid color. Like, this color is so bomb. Like, it's like that. And it looks like that. I have it in my inner corner, by the way. So, yeah. These shadows are, like I said, you can use them wet or dry. I use them dry on my eyes. They're really smooth. They're really soft. They blend pretty well. I like them. They do have a bit of fallout though. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's the only downfall about it. But other than that, they're pretty dope. I like them. I like them. I got just a basic brown lip liner. I haven't even opened it. These cost like $1.10. So I was like, whatever. I've never used their lip liners. So I've never really used Kiko except for my matte black eyeshadow y'all see in my videos. So I should have used this today for my look. I didn't even try it in the store. Let me try it now because all sales are final anyway. Oh, it's not even brown, y'all. Wow, it's not even brown. I'm low-key sad. Let me see. Let's see. That's the color. This is the color of the lip liner. That's the lip liner color. Okay, so my last 2 products are more eyeshadows. These these are their water eyeshadows, and their water eyeshadows cost $12. There was a phase going around where people use a Kiko eyeshadow as a highlighter. It was one of the water ones. I don't remember what it was because I would have bought it, and I would have bought it. I'm so upset. I'm gonna go back anyway. But the first one I got is the number 233. It comes in a cute little square package. This one I don't think you can depot though. Yeah, you can't depot this one. This is a nice gold color. Look how pigmented that gold is. Sorry, I'm giving y'all the finger, but look how pigmented. See that? That color is so rich. Then the next color I got is 232. It's silver color. I bought silver because I don't have any silver I don't have any silver eyeshadows, so looks like that. Looks good. Alright guys, so that was my quick little haul. I just wanted to bring something different to my channel, give my tutorials a break because I've been busting them bad boys out. Nice, quick, little, simple haul. If you've never heard of Kiko, I will put their website right here. Right here. Right here. I'll put it right here. So you can go visit them. Go visit them. They have an Instagram as well. But give their products, give it a try. They're really not that expensive, even without the sale that I had. They're not really that expensive. So go check them out. Let me know what you think of my haul video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you already don't. Follow all of my social media sites down below because they are always down in the description box. The next one.